Well, a big shout out to all my smart senior students of DRS International School, and I'm going to keep this video really short for all of you because I know how super busy all of you are with all your ongoing online classes and assessments these days and all the study work which is piling up for all of you. Well, for today's video, all that I want to say is if you missed your morning workout or your meditation today, maybe because you overslept, or maybe you just did not feel like it, or maybe you got super busy, you just got super busy and you ended up doing something else altogether. Well, that is not an excuse to flush the rest of your day down the toilet. Well, if you talk about me, keeping my case in mind, I would love to go out into the outdoors for a jog or a morning run. But that seems quite a distant possibility, keeping in mind the COVID 19 situation. So I have got to make the best of the situation that I have in my hand. I've got to avail of all the resources which are available to me inside the safety and the comfort of my house and be able to work out inside my house, isn't it? So, what I'm trying to say is that you need to understand that the secret to changing your life, the secret to bringing about any desirable change in your life, or the secret to unleashing your power or unlocking your true potential is to make and keep the small promises to yourself in your life. So, for example, you have promised to yourself that you are going to meditate every day. It doesn't matter if it is 2:30 in the afternoon and half of the day has already gone by. You have still got to be able to enforce that small promise in your life. You have still got to be able to force yourself to keep that small promise in your life. Because you need to understand that when we learn to keep the small promises in life, that's when we are actually able to keep the bigger promises in our life. So let's come back to my case. If I like to sweat it out, if I like to work out, and if I've made a promise to myself that I'm going to work out, I'm going to make it happen come what may at any cost. For example, I like to run, I like to jog, I really like to have a nice high intensity interval training workout session for myself every day. Why? Because with all the workload that I have, it really tends to get on to me sometimes, and I also tend to become extremely stressed out at times. So when I work out, when I get physical, really physical with my workouts, it just helps to flush out all the negativity and the toxins and the stress from my entire nervous system and from all the joints of my body. And my workouts just make me feel a million times better all of a sudden. That's therapy for me. So if I have to work out and I have made that promise to myself regarding working out every day, I've got to make it happen every single day of my life during this lockdown or during this unlockdown phase. So, do I always like to work out the first thing in the morning? No. Do I like to step indoors when it is really lovely weather outside and take a workout? No. Do I always like to press that play button on my yoga class? No. Do I always like to step onto my treadmill to sweat it out for the next 45 minutes? No. But what I am trying to tell you is that I, in my life, am going to make it happen come what may, no matter how I feel, no matter how motivated or demotivated I feel, I've got to be able to enforce that promise in my life and just make it happen. You've got to be able to learn how to force those tiny, tiny promises in your life every day. You've got to build that motivation. You've got to build that self confidence. You've got to work on that willpower every day. And willpower is just like any other muscle in your body. The more you work that muscle of willpower, the stronger and the bigger and the more efficient it becomes. So that's what I do every day. Do I like to work out the first thing in the morning every day? No, my dear students. I am also a human being. But what makes me different from all of you? I work that willpower every day. I remember that promise that I have made to myself every day. And then I stick to that promise. Because I have made that promise, I keep that promise every day. It's all a matter of working that willpower, making it stronger with each and every passing day. So I always hit play on my yoga class if I have to do it. I always step onto that treadmill of mine if I've got to sweat it out because it just makes me feel so good and happy. And I know it's healthy for me. So if I know that I have made a promise to myself to take care of my health, and if I know that I have made a promise to myself to work out every day, then trust me, I am going to be working out every day. It's all a matter of willpower. It is a matter of making a conscious and a mindful decision each and every day to keep that promise that you have made to yourself. You need to always remember that when we keep these small promises in life, that is when we become truly able to keep the bigger promises in life. So, all change in life is brought about by keeping the small promises in life. So, you've got to be able to learn that ability to keep that promise to yourself, whether it is regarding an everyday workout, a daily workout, or whether it is regarding meditation. Physical health, mental health, emotional health, all aspects of health are important for you during this tough, uncertain period of your life. And physical exercise and meditation will go a long, long way in ensuring that you are able to maintain a good state of your physical, mental, as well as emotional health. And I bet this is one of those videos which you are going to watch and then you're going to tell me, damn it, Anukriti ma'am, this is exactly what I needed to hear. And so the video is right there. I'm right there in front of you. You have heard exactly what you needed to hear. And now you know what you have to do. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, get off that social media and go and get your morning workout or your meditation. And if it is not morning anymore, if it is already afternoon or evening and more than half of the day has gone by, so what? The remaining part of the day is still left and you can still work out and you've still got some time left for your meditation. So get off that social media, get off that Instagram, go get off Facebook right now and get your workout gear ready and get ready for your workout today, right here, right now. Stay at home, stay safe, and be blessed. God loves you all, and I love you all. And now, by the end of this video, you know what you have to do. If you've made that small promise to yourself, my dear students, all the smart guys and girls of DRS International School, if you have made that promise to yourself, now is the time to keep it. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get off that social media now and get to work. I love you all. Namaste.